Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Blue Monday, on Monday, January the 17th, 2022, we have here in this additional six extra puzzles. Six puzzles, I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So total of six extra puzzles. By the way, those puzzles I'm not interested, so half of them I will solve. The Sudoku with 3 stars I will solve. The tectonic and the binary. But first, we will solve this baby number 3992. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We'll see. 25 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. It depends. If you have a lot of pairs, hidden numbers, then it will be difficult and you need more time to solve. Anyway, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 1s, we have 1 2, we have 1 3, we have 4 4s, we have 4 5s, no 6 5s. 1 2 3 4 5. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5 5s. 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. 4 7s. Sorry, 4 7s. So the 4, the 5, and the 7s. Let me start with the 5 then. We have a 5 in this last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. No, I cannot continue with the 5. Alright. How about the 4? 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. How about a 5 now? 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. No. 5. 5, 5. 5. Okay. Well, I can fill 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. yeah, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay, how about the 7s then? 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 7. Let me look for another digit. How about? Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the last row, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Okay. So we have a 9. Look, we have in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Aha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. 8, 7. Let me think. We have a pair. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, the 5 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5, okay. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Yeah. I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. 2, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then we have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in this row, the 1 and the 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is the 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair, 1 and a 2. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? 1 and a 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers, 2 and the 6 in this second row? 2 and a 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 9. Okay, 1, 6, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 167, 167, and look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7 and 1 and a 7. Another pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then. How about? Two numbers left in this row. Four numbers, so 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. Okay. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1. Well, 1 star. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I solved this in 60 minutes. So it should be 2 stars. Not 1 star. Definitely not 3 stars. Because for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.